loves. So real quick, I just wanted to do a eyebrow tutorial. I wanted to do one that's more in depth so you can kind of use this video as like a guidance for you to do your eyebrows. One of the most frustrating things for me when I was doing makeup was my eyebrows, eyeshadow, and eyeliner, and applying lashes. So I want to kind of start off doing the eyebrows first. So I don't know, maybe it'll help you guys, at least the way that I do it. Maybe you guys will get an idea how to do eyebrows. So yeah, if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, then keep on watching. So the first thing I do is, first thing you're going to need is a makeup brush to blend out your concealer, obviously your concealer, and then also you're going to need, I use a brow pomade. If you're not into the brow pomade or you're not confident about it, I can also do a video with the eyebrow pencil. Just let me know down below if that's something that you guys want to see. But yeah, I use the pomade as well to do my eyebrows. So you're going to need all of that. And a steady hand and a little bit of prayer and patience, because patience and time is key when you want your makeup to look good. So, okay, first thing, I kind of just look at my eyebrows and I kind of figure out, first of all, which eyebrow is the cutest for me to work with. And this eyebrow for me is the cutest for me because this one has an arch and my tail is longer here compared to this one. And then it's, I don't know, this eyebrow just seems to have it more together than this one does. And so the first thing I will kind of do is I will take the product and then I will trace out like where I want my eyebrow to be. I don't let it go past my eye like this. And I also don't let the front of my eyebrows here go past like my tear duct right here. So I'll trace it out starting from here on and here on. And then I'll go in and start filling in whatever's sparse. And then after that, I will, as far as the front here, I will like feather upwards with the product. And then I will start to blend in my eyebrows. Now for me, when I do my eyebrows, it is way easier just having my eyebrows done and then doing them. If I have my hair grown out, it's a train wreck because not enough concealer can conceal the amount of hair that I have here. Like I have very thick, full eyebrows, so your girl needs her eyebrows done in order to make it make sense and to make life a little easier and to make this process quicker, to be honest. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I fill them in, and this part I'll do a voiceover because honestly I can't talk and do this at the same time and try to look, but I won't speed it up, and I may slow it down. If not, I'll just keep it in real time so that way you guys can see me do it, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so here I'm going into the product, but I'm going in ever so lightly. I go in little at a time because I don't want my eyebrows to be harsh. Then I go in and, like I said, I trace out where my natural eyebrow is. And from bottom then to top, and then I start filling in wherever looks empty. I'm following my natural brow shape. I go in, try to create my little arch, but not try to make it look too archy because to me it looks cartoonish. And then I start filling in my eyebrows, whatever I look like. I feel like I don't have enough hairs or whatever. I go in and I add product and I put it in. And each time I add product, like I said, I add it in a little bit at a time. Then use the spoolie to blend it out as I go. So I'm making sure that my eyebrows don't look too harsh. This way it gives me the natural eyebrow look. Like it looks like natural hairs, and I don't look like I have that halo eyebrow effect. When I get towards the front, I
I be careful. Like, I'm very careful with how much product I'm adding because I don't want it to look harsh. I want my eyebrows to look done and full, but not harsh. In the front here, I literally I move very lightly and blend it out because you don't want to make it look like it's a flat square, like straight in the front. You want it to look blended, just like in. Same thing with this eyebrow. I kind of just try to finesse it and make and follow my natural eyebrow, but at the same time kind of look at the other one and see how close I can get it to look like it. Like as far as like how long the tail is, with all of my rules as far as not going past my tear duct or whatever. So pretty much I'm going to do the same thing that I've done with the other eyebrow. And since I've already, went over that part, I'll just be quiet and let you guys finish watching and I'll time in when it's all done. All right, so now I'm just grabbing my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and honestly, any concealer will do. I prefer to use concealers that have the wand like this so I can go straight in and carve out my eyebrows, or like the LA Pro Girl concealer that has the brush, because I just use the product itself and go in and start carving out. And then here I just carve out, kind of like to make the eyebrow look much cleaner, I guess, more perfect at the bottom, or to get rid of any hairs that might have grown in under there. And then here's where I would utilize if I want to kind of make my eyebrows look a little, wow, a litter. Just kind of like carve them out to look more perfect, I guess. I don't do it at the top anymore. I used to, not anymore, because I feel like it looks much better without doing that, to be real. And then once I do that, I go in and I kind of messed up over here a little bit. I felt like the tail was too thin on this side. So then I'm just going in with a little bit more product and I'm just fixing it up here. Okay, so now I'm just grabbing like a brush, and honestly this is like a foundation brush. I don't really care, it's just a flat brush that I needed. Any flat brush will do. I use that to smooth out the product and blend it out. And guys, I'm sorry because my light is starting to go out, but I'm gonna fix it. I'll show you guys what it looks like in better lighting. For some strange reason, my lighting is tripping right now. I have like battery operated LED lights, y'all, so, and they're dying right now. I'm so annoyed because you can't really see, so I'm gonna move into different lighting. But pretty much I just blend out my concealer and then I kind of like brush it over like this so like my eyebrows don't look too harsh. I use a concealer that's like either the same, like that's close to my undertone. So that way I don't have that halo eyebrow effect, because that's not cute. And also another thing, I don't put concealer on the top of my eyebrows. I used to, but I don't do that anymore. I like my eyebrows on the natural side, so I really like how they look when they're like this. Okay, so just to give you a better idea of how my eyebrows look. So this is me in a different lighting. And this is my eyebrows. So this is how they look. Like, I would use like some eyebrow. Obviously you can go in and put some eyebrow gel that helps your eyebrows stay. I don't use that because honestly I get my eyebrows done, so it's not necessary for me to, because they do a lot of landscaping. Because when I say my eyebrows are thick, y'all, they thick. But yeah, that's how the eyebrows look. So hopefully you guys can use this video as a guidance to do your eyebrows. It didn't take me long. It's not rocket science. I'm lying. Makeup is rocket science and it does some miracles. But if you're a person where your eyebrows hair stops here, or you're very sparse, like if you don't have a tail per se, I would literally just, rule of thumb for me, this may work for you, I'm just saying this is what I do, but I don't let my tail go past here. And then again, I don't let the front of my eyebrow go past my tear duct. I feel like for me, based off of the shape of my face and the shape of my eyes, that I look cartoonish and wild if I let it go any further than that. And I like my eyebrows to look more on the natural side. Like, my eyebrows look done, but they still look natural to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, I can't explain it, but they look good to me. I like them like this. Obviously, if my face was beat, this would look much better, way better, whatever. But yeah, this was just strictly about eyebrows. Now my next video that I want to post, I do want to do a video on how to, you know, perfectly get the perfect foundation, blend your foundation perfectly, contour and highlight, and also applying lashes. Or I don't know, you guys let me know down in the description box below what you guys want to see next. It's just some ideas that I'm thinking about, because I kind of want to make my videos as thorough as possible, so you can kind of go to it when you're in the process. Like, you're about to go out and you're like, damn, okay, let me actually attempt to try to do my eyebrows today, or try to do contour my face today, or let me actually try to attempt to do my makeup. Then you have different videos to look at for different things. But yeah, if you guys like this video, whatever you want to see, like, comment, subscribe. I wouldn't be a real YouTuber if I didn't say this. And yeah, until the next video, see you guys next time.